Hello everyone, welcome to my podcast Do You Know You? I don't know why I started this, but there were some my questions in my mind that I could not answer on my own. Something about mental health, something about self-awareness. Uh, why is people world getting distant with each other, and during this pandemic when we are physically apart, how can we be mentally together, how we can come out of all of the chaos happening in the world. So just one day I was sitting and I thought I can't be the only person who have all these thoughts. And there is so much on mental health, self-awareness, self-love on internet. Then why should I do a podcast? But then I thought, you know, not everybody has come to that information. So I thought of doing a podcast with some of the people who are on social media, because social media has become life of all of us. Even if we are an influencer or not, whatever we do, social media is a crucial part of our life. So I thought, why not ask people who are on social media all the time, who, and also from different fields like actors, beauticians, how has social media impacted their life, how are they keeping their sanity. So one day I was just sitting and I recorded something, so I would request you just for 5 minutes, if you could close your eyes and listen to what I record that day. That those were very instant thoughts. I did not write anything, I did not researched anything. I just sat and recorded just my voice. So there will be no visuals for next 5 minutes. There will be just my voice. If you could just close your eyes and listen to it and think about it. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome to my first podcast, which I have proudly named as Do You Know You? Though I know many people who would say, what is this name? Could have been better, etc., etc. But it is what it is. That's the first name that struck me when I thought of starting my podcast. This is actually what I really want to know. In today's time, where we have the whole world in our hand, we are filled with information. Everybody is just a click away. There are so many options of being connected. But the question is, are we really connected? Or are we getting distant? Distant with family, distant with friends, distant with books, distant with emotions, and mostly distant with ourselves. Minds are so full of unnecessary information and thoughts that we are losing our connection with ourselves. We are talking a lot about self time, me time, self care. But what quality of me time? Are we differentiating between self care and being selfish? Putting myself first or just putting myself? Scrolling Insta, watching next Netflix, or gossiping with a friend, or putting a face mask? That is our self care time, no? It is all good. I do it, you do it, we all do it. This is the best thing. But then, why do we feel heavy at night? Why are we not at peace? Why, as a society, as a world, we're all becoming heavy? I don't see this. I mean, I never felt that the world was filled with burden like maybe 10 or 20 years back. The life was more relaxing. The more comforts we are getting, the more heavy we are going. Why can't we sleep at peace? Do we take out self time to reflect ourselves? Do we, you know, do we think what it is?
Do we take out time to know ourselves? What your heart really wants? What are your real emotions? What gives you real happiness? It is important to connect with self, or is it not? Technology was developed to make our lives easy. Today we are becoming fake as society. We might be crying whole day, we might be sad, we might be hating our lives. Somebody might have tried suicide. But when they put a picture on Insta, they will be smiling, a good caption. What is it? Why do we want to show a life that we're not living? Why is it becoming a competition to show that I am more glamorous, I am more happy? And I'm not putting it on others. I also do that. I also put videos and pictures on Insta, happy pictures. But showing emotions, love, true self is considered weak. Why? Why can't we be ourselves? I think we should take some time out. Let's take 15 minutes today and think, who are you? Does giving love freely makes you more happy or hiding it? Does ignoring people who actually care about you take out time for you, makes you happy, or going after people who ignore you, or they show that they don't care? Are you becoming emotionally empty while showing that you're strong and you need nobody? Why do we have to show that we need nobody? We as humans, society, we need each other. Why can't we just be showing that to each other? That might be heavy for some, but I think that's the call of the time that we should think about it. Thank you so much for talking. Actually, not talking, listening to me. Maybe next week I will come up with some answers, or maybe I'll ask someone to give some answers. Thank you so much for listening to my first podcast.
Thank you so much if you're still here. Those were just my raw thoughts. Also, I'm not a, somebody who can talk on mental health or self-awareness. I am a very self-conscious person. Self-love, self-care comes, is not a priority for me. It comes at the end. So, I thought this way I would also learn, in people like me who are actually lost may get a direction. So in coming episodes I will be talking to people with those questions, with those thoughts, that how have they come to a point where self love is priority, where they put themselves first but don't get at the point that they be selfish, because that's a very thin line of being selfish and self care and putting yourself first. Like you have listened to all that. So yeah, let's be on this journey together, and from next Sunday I will be putting my interviews or just conversation with different people. My first guest is Hina Somani. She's an influencer. She has 60K Instagram followers, and I think she's the sweetest person I've ever talked to. Also, next guest I will be keep telling in my next episodes, but please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe the channel. I would really appreciate that. And if you can be on this journey with me, thank you so much.